And now with that, we move on to our final panel discussion for the day, which is specialized services. After discussing customization at length, let's check out the next big thing on a salon menu, which is scalp care. So for this, I would like to invite none other than CK Kumarvel, the founder of Natural Salon, on stage. Can we please have you on stage, sir? Next, I would like to invite Gunjan Taneja, COO, Natural Salon, South India. Thank you for joining us, Gunjan. My next speaker is Mr. Santosh, the Creative Salon Director. Thank you, Santosh, for joining us today. Santosh comes from Lakme Lever. He is the Senior Creative Director over there. Our next speaker is Deepak Chilhan from Lux Privé Salon. We have already met him this morning and he is again with us. There's a correction here. Santosh is from Bodycraft. My bad. He's the creative salon director from Bodycraft. And my final panelist is Ashwin Mahajan, from the founder of The Opulent Salon. We have met him and we are pleased to welcome him once again. My moderator for this session is Mehak Gupta. Can I please have you on stage, Mehak? She is from Brillare Science and she will be representing the management here. Unfortunately, so Santosh Shekhawat is unable to join us as she's been delayed due to bad weather. So over to you, Mehak.
Thank you so much, Tanishka. And I thank you all at a very warm welcome to join us today. So the topic today, as Tanishka already informed, would be scalp care, because often we have seen that we take care of the hair. We speak about hair, we do beautification treatments, but often scalp care is something which is neglected. So I would like to ask our panelist, Gunjan ma'am, I would like to start with you. So what do you think and what are your opinions on the importance of scalp care in the hair industry?
गुड इवनिंग एवरीबडी इज एवरीबडी कंफर्टेबल विद इंग्लिश और हम सबको हिंदी भी आती है आप बोले तो हम हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं अपने भाषा अपने लोग दोनों मिक्स रखेंगे ताकि आप हर कोई पार्टिसिपेट कर सके बिकॉज मकसद ये है कि आप कुछ ज्ञान लेकर जाएं सिर्फ सुन के ना जाएं ओके सो टू स्टार्ट विद स्कैल्प केयर फ्रैंकली डेफिनेटली इट्स अ बूमिंग बिजनेस एक्चुअली इट्स द बेसिक थिंग
Yes.
देखिए अगर जड़ है तो बाल हैं वो दैट्स द सिंपलेस्ट फार्मूला व्हिच फॉलोज एवरीवेयर सो आई थिंक इट्स द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग एंड इट्स द मोस्ट फ्रूटफुल बिजनेस दैट्स सिंपल आई कुड से
And Ashwin sir, would you like to add something to it?
Yes, I think we've been focusing and we've been, I think we've been just giving more attention to the hair and beauty.
Yes.
But जब तक sustainable अगर रखने हैं बाल future के लिए, तो we need to really make sure that the roots are healthy and the future of the hair is also healthy, and we can then express and embrace the hair in coming times too.
Exactly.
I think it is very emerging need of the market that now we have to pay even more attention and more priority to the scalp.
Yes, even I agree and I hope all of you also agree with the same कि जैसा गुंजन मैम ने बोला, अगर जड़ स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा तभी जाकर के आगे हेयर भी हमारा स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड हेल्दी रहेगा. सो दीपक सर, आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू, अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, what do you think are the concerns related to the scalp which bothers people a lot?
Good evening, everyone. So I think the scalp concern really bothers to everyone because of the hair fall. Okay? It could be hereditary, it could be the lifestyle, it could be nowadays stress as well, because everybody goes through a different stress level now.
Very true.
Stress is a part of our life. We can't say that don't take stress. Stress मत लो और life ठीक हो जाएगा और बाल बचे रहेंगे. ऐसा नहीं है. So I think Equally, I would say you have to take care of internally and externally too.
Very
Externally, we can do it with different products, which is a scalp care. Internally, to keep yourself happy and healthy. That's what I can add to that.
correct. So, CK sir, would you also like to add something to it? Like, what are your opinions on scalp? Like, what are the concerns and what are the major reasons for the scalp concerns?
As he says, the primary concern is hair fall and anti-dandruff. Dandruff. I think these are dandruff also will lead to hair fall in a way. So I think these are the two primary concerns which the world is trying to find an answer. At different point of time, different hair oils will come, and they will say they are going to cure your hair fall problem. After some time, another will come. After some time, another will come, and this is how the journey is going. We have not yet solved that problem, but for the first time, I was very happy that Brillare. It's a very scientific problem, and it has to be addressed scientifically. You can't solve the problem on a superficial level. The product needs to be understood. I'm glad that a pharma company alone can solve this problem. A cosmetic company cannot solve. They can only give temporary solution. They cannot give permanent solution for the dandruff or for the hair fall, both significant problems. I'm glad that Brillare has taken that lead and trying to solve that problem. I like Brillare for two things, but not because it is an Indian company. Now it is a fad that made in India has become a big fad. I am not a big fan of made in India. If you make good product, pride in India is very important. You should be very proud that you make good product, and the product should be comparable or better than any other international product. Then that product is worth selling in India. Just because I am in India, don't buy my product. I think it is a very superficial. It's not a right idea. Right idea is every product made in India should have that quality stamp. Every manufacturer should consider that. Today, a Singapore or Japan or a Korea has emerged like that, because each of the manufacturer is wanting to put there. It's a country's pride at stake. If you look at like that and manufacture like that, then made in India is a pride. Just because made in India, I am in India, so buy my product. Please don't buy my product. Okay, if my product is good, if the product is of good quality, I think that is when made in India has to be bought. Just made in India, make in India, all these are all jokes. But I am very happy that Brillare has gone ahead of that and made a what you call pride, that they are focusing on quality. Coming from a person from outside the industry, identifying the problem in the industry and trying to give a solution which is world class is something which is commendable. I commend Jigar Patel and the team for that. Not
Thank you
because you
so
are
much,
comparing. Okay, that's not the point. It is genuinely you are doing a good job.
Thank you so much, sir. It matters a lot. So, what do you think, as per you, that why our industry is not focusing more on scalp care as compared to hair care?
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन सो हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना कि जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. लोगों को सिर्फ विद बाल दिखता है एंड नॉट स्कैल्प, राइट? बट लोग भूल जाते हैं कि हेल्दी स्कैल्प इज द रिस्पांसिबल फॉर हेल्दी हेयर. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टेक केयर ऑफ द स्कैल्प.
I also, just to add to you, correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel that somewhere or the other, education is also a reason. Because what happens is कि जब आप हेयर पे कुछ करते हो, आप इमिडिएट उसको केराटिन कर दोगे, आप स्ट्रेटनिंग कर दोगे, उससे भी कुछ नहीं हुआ, आप बोटॉक्स कर दोगे. बट माई स्टाइलिस्ट गेट स्टक कि अगर मैंने हेयर फॉल ट्रीटमेंट दिया और हेयर फॉल नहीं रुका तो मैं क्या करूँगा. सो आई बिलीव समवेयर और द अदर एजुकेशन ऑल्सो प्लेज अ वेरी important role in this.
Absolutely, yes. Education plays a major role.
Okay. Anyone else would also like to add something to it?
I would like to add.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
सी दोनों बातें हैं. डेफिनेटली द वे ही सेज, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है, वो ज़रूर रहता है. दूसरा क्या है, लेंथ में आप देखेंगे कभी भी मास्क या कुछ लगाएंगे, द वॉल्यूम इज लॉन्ग. द हेयर लेंथ ऑफ एन इंडियन इज अ लॉन्गर थिंग. स्कैल्प उतना ही है, छोटा सा. तो एम्प्यूल में प्रोडक्ट आता है, प्रोडक्ट छोटा आता है. आपको लगता है मुझे ज़्यादा दिखाना है, ज़्यादा रिजल्ट, अभी रिजल्ट मिल जाएगा, मैंने अभी बेचा, अभी स्ट्रेट हेयर हुए, फोटोग्राफ खींची, इंस्टा पे डल गई, पब्लिसिटी हो गई. Nobody will say I had a hair fall, abhi wo ruk gaya hai. We will not publicize. So the individual, the client also doesn't publicize it much. Even I won't say, oh I had a hair fall, it stopped. If
I agree.
similarly when we compliment the skin, we had a skincare lecture yesterday. You compliment the skin, they'll say thank you. You compliment the hair color, they'll say yeah, that artist has done it. We will not say that. So वो इंडस्ट्री का भी रिस्पॉन्स उतना नहीं आता, तो इनको लगता है इंस्टेंट रिजल्ट दिखाना है,
तो
let's
वो
do a
दिखा
color
दो।
or a keratin therapy or any therapy which speaks for itself.
Yeah.
The marketing
Marketing.
दिखाना बहुत ही आसान है.
एंड वही चीज़ होती है फिर जो संतोष सर ने बोला कि जब भी स्कैल्प ही हेल्दी नहीं है तो उसको कितना भी हेयर को ब्यूटीफाई कर लो, देयर इज नो पॉइंट टू इट, वो लैक हो जाता है. या इट्स अ शॉर्टकट. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक गुंजन मैम कि व्हाट आर द थ्रेट्स? Ajay, you want
Yeah,
to
I would like to add on
something,
that because when you do something on the hair,
Yeah.
you get the instant result.
yes,
You can feel, touch and feel, and as you said, Gunjana, कि पिक्चर अच्छी आती है Instagram पे. स्कैल्प केयर इज अ स्लो प्रोसेस, बट उसको इग्नोर नहीं करना चाहिए. अगर स्कैल्प में बाल ही नहीं रहेंगे तो बालों की पिक्चर भी डालने का कोई फायदा नहीं रहेगा.
करेक्ट
That's the
करेक्ट.
thing.
ना
Correct.
पिक्चर होगी ना डलेगी.
Okay, so unfortunately Santosh couldn't be with us, but she is available on call. So Santosh, I would like to ask you also, what would you like to say on this?
So hi everybody. Good evening.
Is she audible too? Yeah.
In case if I am audible,
Yeah, Santosh, sure.
I just requested the entire panel and you that my absence should not end up any kind of a lack of information. So at present, what I can see and what I can hear is whatever I wanted and I planned for this is already going on. So maybe I'll add something in the end of it because I don't want audience to get disturbed with the network issue and all that. So I believe whatever the panel and you people are supporting is quite going well. So all the concerns let us discuss and maybe in the end I would like to add something from my end. Yeah.
Sure. Okay. So what are the threats, ma'am, do you think if we don't focus on the scalp care, what are the threats to the salon industry or overall to the business that you feel?
Threats to the whole business. Well, see the way we were discussing, if there's no hair, there'll be no treatments further. But the easiest way to involve your client, that is what we are speaking about, to involve your client कि आपका client वापस आए, is that अगर आप scalp का कोई भी treatment suggest करते हैं after taking a medical history, suggest that treatment, write it down, एक साइकिल में बांधो. केराटिन नहीं है कि एक बार करा आप हेड वॉश के लिए आओगे वापस, ऐसा नहीं है. स्कैल्प में आप बहुत आराम से उसको वीकली या फिर मंथली, बाय मंथली ट्रीटमेंट में बांध सकते हैं. When you RX a treatment, when you suggest a treatment, the client will follow you. That's the easiest way to call a client. If I tell a client, come for a head wash or come for a blow dry, they'll say, I'll have a festival, then only I'll come.
True.
But if you RX a treatment saying, this is the treatment, this is the regime, this is the home product, you have to follow this, and your dandruff or your hair fall and these things will stop. Then the client will come automatically. Here, every day, the whole mission should be that how will your client come automatically and not that I have kept a telecaller, she'll get a client. अगर ये हम ठीक कर लें तो आपका लाइफ में वैसे भी थ्रेट नहीं रहेगा, बिकॉज आप बेसिक पॉइंट को क्लियर कर देते हैं कि आप उसको रिजीम में बांध देते हैं. जब आप रिजीम में बांध देंगे, half of your problem will finish because the client will come to you. You will not go to the client.
To the client.
That's simple as that.
Very true, ma'am. Ashwin, would you also like to add something?
मुझे ये लगता है कि जिस तरीके से लाइक हेयर आर एक्सपोज टू मेनी कलर केमिकल्स एंड ऑल दैट, कहीं ना कहीं पे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हम पर भी है कि दैट हम लोग व्हाट वी आर टेकिंग आउट वी हैव टू गिव इट बैक टू द रूट्स एज वेल.
True.
और बीइंग अ हेयर ड्रेसर, आई कम फ्रॉम द साइंटिफिक बैकग्राउंड, तो आई वाज साइंस स्टूडेंट. तो हमेशा मैंने करियर में अपने यही बोला है कि ऑयल से दूर रहना है.
हाँ.
तो वर्किंग विद द ब्रिलेयर आई अंडरस्टूड द होल आइडिया इन टेक्नोलॉजी टुगेदर, दैट हमारे एंशिएंट रूट्स की जो अवेयरनेस है और साइंस कंबाइंड अलॉन्ग विद स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड way of carrying it out process, it can be so fruitful and can be so impactful. It's just wow, because I've been experiencing the product on my client, and it's the first time that I am saying that yes, I recommend oil to the hair very proudly because I think Indian scalp और Indian weather के हिसाब से oiling important है scalp के लिए और ये मुझे अभी और better तरीके से समझ में आ रहा है तो I will say कि कहीं ना कहीं पे ये जैसा मेरा ब्लाइंड स्पॉट था ये काफ़ी हेयर ड्रेसिंग इंडस्ट्री में लोगों का है बिकॉज हमको ट्रेन किया गया था बड़े बड़े इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स के थ्रू की ऑयलिंग नहीं करना है बट हमारा जो डेमोग्राफी है हमारे स्कैल्प की हमारे बॉडी टाइप की नीड है ऑयलिंग तो आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं पे हमको ओरिएंट करना होगा एजुकेशन में और हमारे ओरिएंटेशन में हम लोग किस तरीके से पिच कर रहे हैं सर्विसेज भी
राइट ऑल्सो अब व्हाट आई फील टू इट इज दैट देखो अगर किसी को हेयर फॉल है किसी को डैंड्रफ है तो क्लाइंट कहीं ना कहीं तो जाएगा तो अगर हम नहीं केटर करेंगे तो वो स्किन क्लिनिक पर जाएगा हेयर क्लिनिक पर जाएगा एंड दैट्स द पॉइंट वेयर वी आर लूजिंग ऑन बिजनेस क्योंकि क्लिनिक कभी भी ये सजेस्ट नहीं करेगा कि आप जाके मेरे से स्कैल्प ट्रीटमेंट लो और फिर कलर करवाओ क्लिनिक वुड से कि भाई मत करवाओ तो स्कैल्प बिजनेस ना करके हम कहीं ना कहीं हेयर बिजनेस को भी लूज कर रहे हैं वी आर लूजिंग ऑन दैट क्लाइंट एज वेल CK sir, do you agree to it and what are your thoughts on it?
Because unfortunately we are from Tamil Nadu, so we don't understand Hindi.
Oh, so sorry. So I just said that when we don't cater scalp care, the client who has that concern goes to a skin clinic or a hair clinic, wherein the doctor recommends certain treatments, and they say that the duration where you are undergoing our treatment, don't go for any salon chemical work, and we lose on the hair business as well. So
Yeah. Now the line between the salon and the dermat is blurring. The salons are started doing lot of dermat esthetician kind of services, and they are also coming down and started doing facials. The line is blurring. I don't know who is going to eat whom. Only time has to answer that. But at this point of time, all I can understand is the line is getting blurred. When the product maker equips the salon, because the people don't want to go to a doctor unless they have a specific problem or an urge or a need which is much, much higher. Otherwise, they will first thing they will go only to the salon. Salon is the safest place because they are going there for beauty. They are not going with doctor. I really don't want to go. Okay, whereas a salon, I love to go to a salon because it makes me look good. Doctor means injection, the medicines, all those things is not something we like going to the doctor. To that extent, there is a difference between a doctor and a salon. More and more salon tries to give non-invasive, acceptable level of service to the customer. The customer will stay back with us. Many things can be solved and cured, etc. at a salon level. Only thing, the level of education, the level of honesty, and the quality of the product and the pricing will come into the fore. I think if the salon plays this card very well, we have a larger opportunity. Only when we leave the customer will go there. I think it is our responsibility to keep the customer with us.
yes. So Deepak sir, my next question would be that what do you think are the opportunities that a salon gets when they caters and talk about scalp care or a scalp treatment?
So salon plays a very big opportunity in that because earlier when you talk about n number of products, they promises things, but कहीं ना कहीं जाके client was disheartened because उनको results oriented product नहीं मिले. But I think with Belair, with all this, I would say deep root, especially with that product, which I also truly depend on that because I have seen results. I have seen results on mature scalp, on mature hair, and it does wonder. So I would say give it a time. Educate your stylist first of all, and at the same time educate your clientele to the some extent that you have to go step by step. It's not like overnight process. कोई जादू नहीं है कि रात को दिखते लगा के सुबह ठीक हो जाएगा. No, it's a slow process, but believe in that. That's the main power to it.
True, I completely agree. So now finally I would just like to ask you all that how Briller or Root Deep has helped you or your salon in particular when we talk in terms of business, in terms of satisfied clients or education.
So down in south, I mean, hair fall is the major concern. I'm sure it is all across the world. the brand not only supported by providing the good solution to the customer, also they are providing the quality education to the stylist, which is actually making the client feel confident to use the brand and find the solution for this problem. And even when it comes to promotion and other stuff, also they have been very supportive. Yes, I'm very glad with the
Thank you so
Jigar and
much.
team for
Thank you
providing
so
this
much.
excellent support.
Yeah, I agree with what Deepak has just now said. Santosh has just now said is that the training what the Briller team gives really is what is making the difference. It actually gives the stylist the confidence more than the customer the confidence. It gives the stylist the confidence, and stylist in turn goes and solves the problem. I think it's a good space to be in. Usually, when you talk about those kind of products, we all think only international product are good. They only can solve all the problem. Blah blah blah. I think that is there. Thank you very much. An Indian product, my quality product. Not only because it's an Indian product, it's a quality product. Okay, I think the quality of the product is what it speaks. On top of it, as Santosh clearly says, it is the promotion. Good product has to be sold. Many people make good product and they don't know how to sell, and they think that good product will get sold by itself. Good product will not sell by itself. Good product has to be sold. I think that is where the Briller and the team is continuously selling the product in a manner in which everybody are more and more customers are joining the fray. My hats off to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Brilliantly done. I would go into a technical aspect because I'm a technical person. See, there is a difference when you apply any fruit juice or any oil, anything when you apply from the kitchen into your scalp. It goes to a simple layer which is only the scalp. What I found right about the layer was, frankly, if you read the box, because that is what I did before coming on the stage, I said I will read. If I like, I will go. So I read the entire box, I read the entire thing. Everything has a word called extract. Extract has a quality to penetrate into the skin and heal from within. So it is not only a superficial layer which I am
Yes.
saying, okay, I'll apply a sugarcane juice or I'll apply an apple cider vinegar or something like that, which stays on the scalp, remains healthy. I am very sure when the extract word comes in, it's actually going inside and curing me from inside, which is the main thing which I love about the whole company. That
Thank
it
you so
is
much.
not only saying, it is doing what it says.
Thank you so much. Ashwin, what are your thoughts and
So-
experience, I would say?
So again, मेरा experience और even my being towards the oiling idea, तो हमेशा कभी भी मेरे क्लाइंट ऑयलिंग करते थे ना, तो मेरे हमेशा बैक इन माइंड रहता था कि यार इतना हम लोग कुछ कर रहे हैं और फिर से ऑयल लगाएंगे, डबल वॉश करके रगड़ेंगे, बालों की बर्बादी पक्की
Dryness
है,
आ जाएगा.
ठीक है ना. But now, whenever now we are using a deep root, I have seen the measurable results and the outcome on the scalp and relieving the scalp issues. I feel really taking care of the Indian interest of oiling. हमारे culture का part रहा है scalp का, चंपी हमारे culture में रही है. But this time, supporting that, I'm first time feeling so happy and confident that yes, we are catering that along with the scientific impact, that we are improving the scalp also and creating the sustainability for the hairdressing.
We are happy that we could change your point of view. We could
So yeah, that's a big shift happened for myself because I am a very fanatic and choosy person. Within till the time I am not comfortable and convinced, I can't stand with anything. So
Thank you.
that was a one big thing changed in me.
Thank you so much. Deepak sir, Santosh sir, what are your thoughts on Briller?
As I mentioned, I mean, as a brand, so they have fulfilled all the aspects of salon expectation, and most importantly, as CK sir said, stylists are very confident about the brand, right? So they drive it through the clients, and clients are very happy about the results, and with that, it's a win-win situation for the brands, clients, as well as the stylists, all of them. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir.
I would like to add to that. I totally believe in the product because I'm using it myself. So firstly, I use it on myself to achieve the results. Then only I can tell others to use it. But if I don't get the results myself, I will not be very confident to tell others to use it. So that was the main thing which I accepted it. That was very different, and it's a result-oriented product. That's why.
Thank you so much, everyone. Now, Santosh, I would like to connect with you. Santosh, am I audible? Yeah.
Yes, yes. I hope am I audible to everybody?
Yes.
So this session, what I felt has become, I think Kanishka will definitely tell me, more than scalp, it becomes at the end more of Brillare. But see, the idea behind this is we as a brand definitely, see, all the panelists are talking about the brand because our philosophy and the motive behind this is we really want to develop this culture of scalp care into each and every individual, into each and every hairstylist, because this is definitely a necessity. This is definitely important in every aspect. Like whatever we discussed today, if we focus on it, there are a lot of benefits in terms of revenue, definitely, which is always important. Money is something which is always special and important to everybody. More than money, what is more important is all about when we say that our customer should be satisfied completely, and any customer will be satisfied always when they get their results completely. That completion of result always happen when you focus on their each and every concern, and each and every concern of a hair as an overall beauty can be focused only when you definitely do consider the root or the inception of that hair, which is scalp. So that is what we as a brand also believe. Before coming into the staff aspect of product portfolio, we have always focused towards the scalp as a concern. And I want today that after this session or maybe during this session, if every hairstylist can take a oath of, obeying this culture of scalp care, which means client बोले ना बोले मुझे उसका scalp definitely check करना है. और हाँ, I know definitely most of the salons and stylists are checking, but they are not suggesting because of that fear कि suggest करके पता नहीं result आएगा नहीं आएगा, कहीं कुछ फंस जाऊंगा तो मैं क्या आंसर दूंगा, because there is no diplomacy which you can bring when it comes to a scalp concern. Let's say if there's a hair fall happening, it is happening. You can't deviate the client's vision in a way that ये hair नहीं fall हुआ है and all that. But we as a brand are there to stand up behind the confidence of that stylist, that you please check out on the concern and do suggest us as a product partner. We will take care of the result and efficacy for sure, because we don't market ourselves just by having a good tagline or just by adding maybe any kind of a marketing stuff. Whatever I as a brand have with me in terms of marketing is the actual formulation and actual ingredients or the real ingredients which do work. So I would like to thank you, the entire panel. Thank you so much, Deepak. Thank you so much, Santosh. Thank you so much, CTK sir. Thank you so much, Gunjan. Thank you so much, Ashwin. And definitely a big thank you to Mahek, because my absence, I'm getting now a little bit possessive also. Anyways, but yes, together we all would like to, as a salon partners and definitely as a product partner, would like to add value to this industry by adding something which is sensible and which means and which actually speak by the real truth of ingredients. That's what I would like to say here from my end.
Thank you so much, Santosh.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah, I want to add something which share something which I recently learned in one of my forum. I went. The speaker said the 19th century belonged to Europe, the 20th century belonged to America, the 21st century is an Asian century, especially is an Indian century. So this is the time. This is the time where Indians have to dream big. This is not the time for small dreams, because a lot of things are going to happen in this country in the next 30 years. So the
I feel
the Saravana Bhavan and Annapurna are in food business. The McDonald's and Subway are in food business. The Swiggy and Zomato are in food business. The difference is business models. The first one is 1,000 crore valuation. Second one is 20,000 crore valuation. Third one is 1 lakh crore valuation. In this world, the values are hidden or trapped at an individual level, at a community level, country level. Business model to unlock the hidden value using technology are going to be the new winners. Whatever has happened before, this has to change. This people is not going to lead the next salon revolution, because the next salon revolution is going to be beauty tech. Whoever is going to adopt to the beauty tech revolution, they are going to lead the salon. Just attending to customer, doing pedicure, manicure, facial, those days are all gone. If you really want to lead this industry, the industry is changing, the turf is changing, the environment is changing. Find out a business model. I was sitting in a conference some 7, 8 years before. Lakme CEO was on my left and another lady was on my right, and this lady told, I am new to this industry, but I see a very interesting opportunity. I will enter into it and figure it out. And that lady is Falguni Nayyar of Nykaa.com. Today she is worth 1 lakh crores. All of us put together, not even 50,000 crores. Okay, this is the reality in front. Don't keep on thinking like old. If you want new results, you have to think new. This is an Indian, decade, couple of decades are going to be in favor of India. Digital, everything is in our favor. Start thinking beauty tech. So that's what I want to share.
Santosh, you wanted to say something.
I was just saying, CKK sir, that I salute, I touch your feet, and I love you for the passion which you shows to this country on every possible platform, and that make me feel more empowered as an Indian. That make me feel more empowered as a employee who works for an Indian brand. I don't know how to say thank you on this. Like people like you, when you represent India out of India also with so much confidence of India, that is something a generation from our end needs to follow, and that gives us lots of confidence to grow in our life and whatever we are doing. So that's what I was saying. There are very less Indian who have that much pride of being Indian, and this is very, very important for all of us, because we as an Indian have the bestest power what we have. So we all should believe on that. That is something which is out of the topic, but after listening to him, I couldn't stop myself adding that.
जो लोग सिर्फ हिंदी समझते हैं, मैं आपको बता दूं कि सीके के सर 750 सलोन्स चलाते हैं. फाइन. तो अगर ये 750 चला रहे हैं और 3000 सोच रहे हैं, तो आपको भी 3000 सोचने हैं. वो यही बोल रहे हैं कि यही वक्त है, ज़्यादा सोचिए, बड़ा सोचिए. मेहनत रिक्शा चलाने में भी उतना ही लगेगा, हवाई जहाज़ चलाने में भी उतना लगेगा. हवाई जहाज़ ही चलाना है. ठीक है. ऑल द बेस्ट टू एवरीबडी.
Thank you, everyone. I would like to thank everyone for being on this panel, and also Santosh for organizing it. A very thank you to our conference partner, Bilair Professional. And with this, we come to an end for this Salon Management Congress. I would just request everybody to just step ahead for a group photo.